How to download and use Microsoft Excel for free on Windows. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how to download and use Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and other Microsoft applications for free on your Windows. So there are actually two ways of doing this. The first way is by opening your Microsoft Store. Once you have that open, go ahead and search Microsoft 365. In the list of options that you are given, the first two are paid, and the third one is actually the free Microsoft 365. Go ahead and install it, and from there you can use Excel, Word, PowerPoint, any application for free. And if somehow that option is not working for you, here's step 2. Go ahead and open your Google Chrome or any other web browser. From here, search Microsoft 365. Click on the second link that is Microsoft 365, the official website for Microsoft. From here, first log into your Microsoft account and click on Install and More, and from here just install the applications. I don't need to do that because I already have these applications. And now you can go ahead and search, and you will find Excel, you will find Word, you will find PowerPoint, and so much more. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.